Hi, my name is Jocelyn Matthews, and I'm the Community Manager here at Storj Labs and Tardigrade. A lot of folks who I meet in our forum are excited to get a look at Tardigrade in action. So today I'm here with a tutorial that's geared towards those of you interested in storing data on the Tardigrade network. We're going to cover 8 different things in this tutorial. At the end of this lesson, you'll understand how to create a project, create an API key, set up Uplink CLI, create a bucket, upload an object, list an object, download an object, and delete an object. We're going to be uploading this delicious slice of cheesecake that's pictured in the photo, and then downloading and deleting it in our example. The first thing you'll want to do is set up an account and billing method. The initial step is choosing a satellite. The majority of users select their satellite based on geographic proximity, and then after that, you'll receive a confirmation email. Verify your email address, and then you'll be able to log in. Once you're logged in, it's time to add a payment method. Go to the billing page, and then add a credit card or add storage tokens. Now that you've set up your account and your billing, it's time to create your first project and give it a name. Log into your account and click New Project in the top right corner. Title your project Food App and click Next. You've just made your first project. Now let's create your first API key. After you've created the project, click API Keys in the sidebar. Click New API Key to start the naming process. Then name your API key Main Developer and click Next to reveal your secret API key. Copy and save this API key to someplace secure. You're not going to be able to display it again, it's only displayed once. At this point, we're done with the web interface and can switch to the command line. To create buckets and upload objects, you'll be interacting with our Uplink CLI, S3 gateway, or client libraries. Uplink CLI is an application that allows you to access object storage from the command line. You can use this tool to upload and manage objects and buckets. What we're going to do now is download the Windows Uplink binary zip file from GitHub. I'm also going to place the links for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS in the description box. In the Downloads folder, right-click and select Extract All. Extract to the desktop. Once extracted, we're going to be accessing it via the command line. In PowerShell, navigate to the directory your uplink.exe file is located. So in this example, that's the desktop. Enter the numeric choice corresponding to the satellite you created the account on, and then choose an access name. Take the API key that you generated and enter that. If you didn't save it from the previous step, you can just go back to the web interface and create another one. Create and confirm an encryption passphrase, which is used to encrypt your files before they're uploaded. Please note that Storj Lab does not know or store your encryption passphrase, so if you lose it, you won't be able to recover your files. Step 4, create bucket. Let's create a bucket to store photos of cake for our food app. The command for this is mb. I've previously saved the file cheesecake.jpg to my desktop. To upload our photo, let's use the copy command cp, and you can see that I'm specifying cakes as the path. The copy command copies a file from outside of a storage bucket to inside, or vice versa. Step 6, list an object. To view the cheesecake photo in our bucket, let's use the list command. List command is simply ls. Use it to look inside cakes, and you'll see that cheesecake.jpg is residing inside. Uploading and listing objects is great, but we also need to get our data down again. To download our cheesecake photo, let's use the copy command, which is cp. Let's say that for some unknown reason we don't want cheesecake anymore. We delete the photo with the following command, rm. This removes the specified file from the bucket. That's it. You've created your first project, set up your billing, made an API key, set up Uplink CLI, made your first bucket, uploaded an object, and listed it out. You also downloaded and deleted data. If you'd like to know more, we have great documentation and a community that loves to share information. So check out the resources at the end of this video. If you have an open source app, take a look at our Open Source Partners program. Open source partners get paid every time their users store data on Tardigrade. If you're interested in a wholesale partnership, then please contact us as well through partnerships@storj.io. If you liked this video, please like, share, and consider subscribing. And if you'd like to learn more, please join the Storj Labs community to keep the conversation going.